Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to create line plot in Matplotlib. So let's get started. We can create line plots with the help of plot function in Matplotlib. So let me jump to the browser where I will show you the functioning of line plots. Guys, in the previous video I have created a line plot. So now let's go ahead and we'll discuss the features of this plot function. Guys, this is the list of commonly defined features of plot function: line width, line style, line color, line opacity, marker options, grid and legend. So let's take a look at each of them. So the first feature is line width, and this is the list of line width. 0.5 means 0.5 pixels wide, and 1 means 1 pixel wide, and 1.5 means 1.5 pixels wide, and so on. So guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So guys, now let's add the line width in the plot function. Guys, I am assigning value 5 to line width, and now if I run this script, you can see the width of line here. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward to next feature of this plot function. The next feature of the plot function is line style, and this is the list of line styles. First line style is solid and it is by default, and next style is double dashed, that is known as dashed line, and the next one is dashed and dot, that is known as dash dot line, and the next one is dotted, that is known as dotted line, and at the end there is blank, that is known as no line. So now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So guys, let's add the line style in this plot. Guys, I am adding double dash, and now if I run this script, it will give you the plot like this. Guys, we can also use colon, and now if I run this script, it will give you the plot like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving on to the next feature of this plot function. The next feature of the plot function is line color, and this is the list of line colors. B stands for blue, C stands for cyan, and G stands for green, where K stands for black, and M represents magenta color, R represents red, W represents white, and Y represents yellow color. So now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Now guys, let's add the color to this plot. Guys, I am adding red color here. So now if I run this script, it will give you the plot like this. Guys, we can also change the color. So let's change it to yellow. So I am adding Y here. So now if I run this script, it will give you the plot like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, moving forward to the next feature of plot function. Guys, the next feature is alpha values. So alpha values means opacity. So the any alpha value between 0.0 and 1.0 is possible. And this is the list of alpha values. 0 means transparent, 0.5 means half transparent, and 1.0 means opaque. So now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So guys, let's add the alpha in this plot. Guys, I am adding 0.5 here. So now if I run this script, it will give you the half transparent plot. And now guys, if I make it 1 here, then it will give you the plot like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward to next feature. Guys, next feature is marker style. So this is the list of marker styles. Point, 1 pixel, circle, triangle down, triangle up, octagon, square, pentagon, star, hexagon 1, hexagon 2, plus, filled plus, X, filled X, diamond, and thin diamond. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So guys, let's add the marker option in this plot. Guys, I am adding O here. And now if I run this script, it will give you the plot like this. So these are the markers here. And now if I add, let's say plus here, and run this script, okay, now these are the markers here. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.